Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to talk about how to make a website for a painter or for a painting business quickly, simply, and easily using the Mighty Site system. So I'm going to jump over here, share my screen, and we're going to get started. So if you're looking for a simple, easy, effective way to create a simple professional website for your painting business, this is the way to go. So I can go to mightysites.com and just click here on Start Free Trial or Launch. Or if I want, I can scroll right down here and I can pick the painting business website template directly and then jump right into it there. So you can see it's here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to just click right here on the painting business template. The first thing that's going to ask me to do is enter my business information. So I simply enter name of my business, my email, my name, and some simple details. So first, I'm just going to look and find my painting business. Painter. Let's see, I looked up a few here. So just to use it as an example, so craft painters, they do not have a website. So let's use them, craft painters. So you can see they just find their business right here. So you can find your painter business in the system. And if it's not listed, no worries. It's really quick and easy. You just click here to add your business information manually and you put in your business name, your address, and your hours. If you can find your business, which if you have a Google business profile, you will be able to find your business in the system. You just search your business name, find it, and click on continue. And then Mighty Sites is going to pull in your business information. So you can see here, I've got the phone number, the business address. I can update any of this. I can add my email address if I want to. I can erase any of this information or change it. If it looks good, I click save. I can also update the hours that I operate as a painter. So if I, let's just say I decide I'm open on Sundays and I work from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now I quickly and easily updated my hours for my business. But let's just say that I'm actually closed. That was a mistake. I just click on closed again, click save. So that's really simple and easy just to put in your basic business information. And Mighty Sites is going to use that to populate the website. So once that business information looks good, I click on looks good next to generate the painter business website template. So when I click on this, you can see that my business name comes in right here. Now this template already comes pre-licensed with images and text for you to use. So all of these images, all of this text, it's all pre-written for you to make it really simple and easy to build a website for a painting business. So as I scroll back up here, you can see really nice images, text pre-written, and it actually pulls in the business location too. So you can see that if I just go to the location information, that was the address that was pulled in. So it pulls that into the template along with the name, the phone number. So it's really tries to give you a really nice, easy way to get started with creating or building your website for your painting business. So next, I just click on activate this site to customize and launch. And then I can click on this to start my free trial. And from here, it gives me the option to start updating or editing my site. So I just click simply on update your site. And right here, I have a front end editor for the painter website template. So I can click on update section. And let's just say I want to add my social media links. I can add them in here. And you can see over here on the right-hand side that my social media links are now populating. So I now have my Twitter address there. Let's just say I put in my Facebook page. Now the Facebook logo pops up and now these both link to the right place. I can click on save social links. I can also update any of my location information. If I want different phone numbers or emails to appear up there, I can save that and close. So this front end editor is really easy to help you make your painter website. So if I click on update section again, and let's just say I want to change the menu items, I can reorder them. I can add new menu items. I can change them around. That's really easy to do. I can update my logo here. So if I want to just browse my computer, update my business logo instead of the name, I can quickly and easily do that. I can update any of my location information. If all that looks good, I click save and close. Now, right here, I can also, let's just say I have a really nice picture of myself, my team, my painting van, any of that. I can just click here on upload image, same thing, browse, and just upload a new hero image as the background right here. Same thing with the menu. I can rearrange or create new menu items on the front end of the site too. So again, really simple and easy to update this. If I want to change any of the text on here, I simply click on update section. I click on the text and you can see, let's just type in right here, This is the Painter website template, right? So that's really easy. You can see exactly what you're typing. Let's just say I wanted to make this bold. I can do that. Just say I want to link this to somewhere. I can easily add a link right here to link out to something different. But it's really simple and easy to edit the Painter website template, especially the text, because you can just see exactly what you're doing there. Let's just say this button, I want that to say contact instead of contact us. That's easy to do. And then I can choose where that links. If I want it to link to a section of my website, or I prefer to link to maybe I expect a lot of people will go to my website on their phone, which is where a lot of traffic happens at this point. So I'm just going to have them click to call. So when they click on contact, it automatically calls my phone number. That's really easy to do. But if I do want to link to another website or booking software, things like that, I can just enter the booking link right there. And that's really easy to do too. So I'll just leave it as when they click contact, it automatically calls my business. That's a really nice way to generate leads off of a website. And again, any of these images, text can be really easily changed or updated. But again, all of this is included for you. So as you're making your painting business website using Mighty Sites, this is all included. Just feel free to use these images, use this text. But again, if you want to edit any of this or change it, it's also really easy to do that too. So once that's complete, I can click right here at the top and stop editing. And I can return to the site dashboard. Now, once I get back here to the dashboard, I can connect a custom domain for my business. So let's just say I have, mypainterbusiness.com. I just paste that in here and I click save. Once I do that, I'll get a simple set of instructions that tell me how to update things with my domain registrar. So I just go in and I make those simple updates. Once that's ready to go, then it usually takes like 24 hours, but then it'll update the system and all of a sudden I'll have mypainterbusinesswebsite.com will be linked back to my new Mighty Sites website for my business. So that works really well. And now everything that's included with this too, this is why I really like this simple professional website builder for painters, is with this, it's only $9 a month. That includes website hosting. It includes that secure certificate so that your website is secure and really safe for your customers to use online. It includes the responsive template, includes the pre-licensed images, includes the text written for you, and includes the really easy to use editor that you see here. All you have to do is go over to billing and put in your credit card to get started. So basically, that's how easy it is to make a website for your painting business using Mighty Sites. Really simple way to create a professional, simple, mobile-friendly website that can help drive more business to you for your painting services.